welcome back to my channel. Today's video is basically me giving you guys a makeup tutorial, and if you haven't seen my previous video, please go check it out. I released it today. So today's video is basically as you can see, this is the Nubian look that I created, that I saw from Teaira Walker. Please check out her YouTube page. She's a very awesome person. She's very sweet and subtle. I really love her, and I do definitely recommend her. This is the Nubian look that she posted, filmed, recorded. Let me say recorded. This is the Nubian look that she recorded on the 2nd of April last month, and I definitely loved it. And I told myself, you know what, let me actually just try it out and just like copy it for you guys and show you guys how it looks like on me with my cheaper, more affordable products. She uses more expensive products that I do not have. I don't have that, but help. I'm trying to see in this video how far I can actually get with what I have to actually copy it step by step. So y'all continue watching and enjoy. So my face probably looks so like right inside the camera, like it probably looks awkward as hell. So, and that's what we need, honey. So I did my eyebrows just before this. So first of all, we're just gonna start off with the mattifying primer. Put this all over. Not all over, but just. You guys should let me know if you actually enjoy the music that I play in the background or not. Or if you guys actually enjoy like the silence, because it matters to me. And then I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl concealer, which is Warm Honey. I'm just gonna go in with the this. I'm going with the orange. It's a burnt orange that she also recommended, as you guys can see. My one is actually not even like a burnt orange. Mine is like more of an orange, literally. So then we're gonna go with the glistening color, this one here. How does that look? Then we're gonna go with the bronze over here. And we're just gonna put it in the middle of the eye. I'm just gonna take the orange that I used earlier. I'm just gonna smudge it a little bit with my finger. I'm just gonna put it on top. Just a little bit. Then we're just gonna take like the rustic color one, this one, the darkest. Sort of like a line on top. Please make sure that you are subscribed, because why would you want to miss out? And why are you being that person? Don't be that person that watches videos and just doesn't subscribe, because it doesn't make sense. Why are you so bitter? Why are you holding back from subscribing? So I'm just gonna blend that out all together into each other. So I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner, the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. Then we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation. It is color 330 Toffee. Which I like a lot. It's not too heavy on my skin, which is great because I like that. I'm just gonna use this because I don't really have anything available right now, and this is the closest thing I have. I don't know why I keep doing that. Then I'm gonna go in with the concealer again, for into my under eye area. Blend it in, right now here. The bridge of my nose with my finger. I wonder how that looks. I'm trying to focus on the camera. If I keep looking away, I'm really sorry, guys. It's not on purpose or anything like that. I keep forgetting. Then I'm gonna go in with the Sacha butter setting powder. Yep. Okay. In action. So I was saying I am putting in the. If you guys didn't see, I'm not sure. I'm putting on the Sacha buttercup setting powder on my cheek. Guys, it is currently 10 minutes to 9 where I am right now, and it's because my sleeping schedule is just a mess. My sleeping schedule is everywhere, guys. I don't know what's happened. This looks wild. I look like I'm in a cult. But I like it. I like how it's turning out. I actually thought that I was not gonna like this video at all because so then I just take my big brush and I just blend. Ooh. Okay, the lighting here in the camera. Than I expected. Ooties! I'm just gonna go over the cheeks with the dark palette again. Yeah. You know what I mean? Bitch? Yes. And we're just gonna blend it in. I sleep at any time. I can just literally finish eating. Oh my word. I can literally just like be done eating a meal, and all of a sudden I am fast asleep. Here, the light palette or the shimmering palette. I'm just gonna use it to go over my cheeks. Below for a little shimmer. Is shy to come out of the closet. Bitch. Oh my gosh, this was not meant to be there. Epic fail. I put too much on this side. I didn't create like a line. There as well. Or should I like, I really like this, but anyway, let's not take it too far. I don't really like I actually do. I need to obviously practice my eyeshadow. Oh yes, yeah, I definitely need to practice that because it's not like aced like the way Teaira Walker like did it, and okay. I like this actually. It's not too I'm talking about the foundation, right? And the way that I blended it in, it is like literally going into my neck. It's not like way I'm light skinned and then I'm super dark on my neck. Everything is very perfect right now. I'm just gonna go in with the simple mascara over my arms. I can't really see. I need to use it. I like it. Shout out to Teaira Walker. Her name is very difficult. I'm sorry. So this is the final trial look. I've mastered it. Do go check out her channel. She's a very sweet, subtle person, and just let me know if I actually like copy this very well from step to step. So I'm just gonna go fix my hair and come back and show you guys the final look. Is it legally okay at this time of the day? It's literally 9:15. The final look. The final Nubian look. I put on earrings and I straightened my hair. I really hope that I mastered it or I came close to it and I don't look like a clown, because I really love it. And if you love it, please do give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I love it. I definitely love it. Let me know if you guys also like it, and if you do like it, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you got a comment down below, if you want to help me out, so say a little something, don't be shy, just say it. I don't have a problem. Definitely love it. Have an absolutely wonderful day and have an absolutely safe and awesome weekend, and take care. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to put on a mask. I'm gonna love you tonight. I'm not gonna glue down this wig.